Hey everyone, welcome to Hoka Nation. Today we're going to be reacting to Train Pushes Wave of Snow at People, and this is the Daily Dose of Internet. It's an awesome channel on YouTube, and let's get right into this. Let's go.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This train threw a wave of snow on people waiting at the station.
You can see a guy like walking away because he knows what's happening. On the right side. Oh, yo, people! I feel like some people had no idea. Look at this. Oh my days! One guy was filming.
With a little bit of editing magic, you can make your dreams come true.
Come true. Let's see if they do it. Ah! That's cute. Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Many people love to ski and explore, but they're under lockdown right now, so this is the next best thing they can do.
Oh, this is awesome. That's cool. I love the vision. I love the artwork here. The skiing down your shoes. I like it. I dig it. Wow, that's really good.
This person is blind, but he can still tell what type of soda is in each bottle.
Fanta. Give me the other bottle. That's awesome.
This one's the tough one. This is Coke Zero.
Yeah, you got it.
Here's a dog that knows how to play
I've
volleyball.
actually seen this video on Twitter. This dog is insane. Watch this. Oh! Watch this, watch this. Oh! Air Bud. Am I right? Air Bud? Let's go. Hey! Bah.
This dog got really excited when their owner found them hiding.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Aww.
Every day, this cat brings a slipper to its owner.
Here's your boot. Oh, that is beautiful. Wow. That's absolutely beautiful. The waves and everything. Giving me... Wow. Oh, I saw this on Twitter. This is on Twitter too. I love this so much. Amelia Earhart. Dog.
Here's a lizard with a really long tongue.
Whoa. It's like black and blue. Has
This cat likes to put itself in glass bowls. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Later. Nice. Alrighty, everyone. That is Train Pushes Wave of Snow at People. Daily Dose of Internet. We're definitely going to be reacting to a lot more of these on the channel on Hoka Nation. I love these videos. They're great. Just awesome, positive videos, positive vibes all around. Loving it. Daily Dose of Internet. Shout out to Daily Dose of Internet. One of the best channels on YouTube. I'm definitely going to put their channel in the description and their videos, so make sure you check out their channel. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button down below, the Hoka Nation. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and have an awesome day.